Alright, so, I realized that I still haven't made, look at these. You're like, what is that? Aliens? No, I still haven't made a video about the potatoes. And yes, my dog, although she's great with the birds and my horse, and she eats and chews on rocks. So, a little bit of a loose screw there. Yes, that would be Jemima. There's a mess over there because no massacres, I promise. It just looks like it. Lots of molting, I guess. But anyways, yeah, my friend asked about potatoes, planting potatoes, and so here is that video. These are potatoes that were sitting by my window and they started to sprout. So you're like, oh my goodness, you know, if you've never seen it before, these are sprouts on the potato. As you can tell, the potatoes started to get old and they sprouted. This is an awesome thing to come across if you're going to plant potatoes, or if you want to plant potatoes, because this is what they need to look like. And while I'm talking to you, I'm going to go ahead and walk over here and close up the ducks in their night pen, because I just noticed they happen to walk in there. Yes, I see you, Susie. Susie is a speckled Sussex. I think she thinks I have a snack for her. Yes. And if you see how dirty that water is and you're thinking, oh my goodness, her water looks nasty, I just changed that water. No joke. But ducks are really, really messy. In fact, their water can never be clean. I mean, that's one reason why they do so well in ponds. Okay, sorry, I have to close this, so I'm gonna sit you down for a second. But yeah, so the potatoes though, going back to the potatoes. Good night, quacks. For their own safety, I close them up at night, because there are bobcats out here, coyotes, all kinds of things that would like to eat them. Raccoons. I've got actually more to tie, but I'll fix it once I'm done. Oh, I forgot to grab the potatoes. So anyway, so this is what you want to see for being a good time to plant potatoes. Now, it is the wrong time of year for planting potatoes. Oh, you want to go in there too? Okay, these guys want to go inside. Sorry, 1 second here. They also get closed in there at night. Guess he's not coming, I guess. You're scaring them, kitty. Guess not. Okay. Alright. Wrong time of year for potatoes, as I was saying. But for the sake of demonstration, for my friend, I'm going to show you. That's really the biggest thing, though. It's just you see these sprouts and you're like, oh. And that can happen with any potato that you leave by your window and forget about. They just got the light and the nutrition just gets started is all in the dying, rotting potato itself. Which, I mean, they are a root, is what they are. And here's the thing, though. So I had some potatoes already this year that I grew and harvested, and I ate them already. This bag looks like an ordinary bag that's just trash, but it's not. This is actually what I call my potato bag. There's different ways to plant potatoes, I'm sure, but this is one way that I found to be the best for me. I tried the in the ground, the raised bed, which works, but I found this, I saw this somewhere, I don't even remember where I saw it, and I found it to be great. So it's got little I put holes in it in the bottom so that there's like, when the water gets in there, you know, it drains, just like it's supposed to, but it's literally just a bag, potting soil bag, and then I stick these potatoes in there. I've got soil already in there, nice soil, and the potatoes I had earlier this year were like this, sprouted like this, and I stuck them in that bag in the soil. I would say just enough to cover them. I mean, you don't have to have like tons of soil, but enough to cover the potatoes. And then I left a little bit of the sprout sticking up a little bit. I can't do this with one hand, unfortunately. Now my dog is deciding to dig there. Oh, mosquitoes are eating me. So that's really all that you do. I mean, it's really simple. You just got your potatoes sprouted. I mean, you don't want to put them too close to each other. You put them under the soil. I don't know if I can, I don't think I can hold this and do this at the same time. But that's basically all you do. You can have just a regular pot. You don't have to use the bag. That's what I do. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, so I can give you kind of like an idea. Okay, so one thing I just now did, I stuck one potato in there. It's covered, and it's got little sprouts out a bit, just a bit. And that's really, yeah. I got some good healthy dirt on my fingers now. But that's it. That's all you do. And I got these. Oh, boy, these mosquitoes. If you have any questions, in case my friend's watching this, feel free to message me more. But it's really super simple. You just got your sprouted potatoes, put them in some nice dirt, and you just wait. Now, I guess there is this question I used to have before too. How do you know when the potatoes are ready? Well, it actually won't hurt the potatoes any if you dig a little in there before they are ready to check. It won't hurt them because, after all, potatoes are a root. But it took about, I would say, maybe 2 months for my potatoes to be ready to harvest. And that's when I got in there and dug them out really good. But, oh my goodness, mosquitoes. You guys can't see them, but they're like all swarming around me now. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna fight these mosquitoes. Maybe go inside until the hour of the mosquitoes is over. They're bad. Hope you found that interesting and the animals entertaining. Yeah, that's about it though. Thank you for listening. Shalom.